Welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Today, let's discuss the importance of using iron utensils in our kitchen. One way to ensure that we get sufficient iron to our body and do not turn anemic is to use iron utensils. I'm going to unbox a cast iron dosa tawa, 28 inches dosa tawa from the brand Mayer, and explain to you the difference between the regular iron and cast iron as well. So first to the unboxing. Iron flat tawa 28 centimeters, specially crafted for Indian cooking. Get 20 recipes by Chef Varun Arora. WhatsApp us at this number. So this comes with a lifetime warranty. Where all it is there: USA, UK, Singapore, Japan, Italy, Hong Kong, Canada, and Australia. Pre-seasoned cookware, seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Naturally healthy cooking. No use of synthetic coatings and chemicals. Exceptional heat retention. Thick pan body retains heat for longer duration. So here it says Mayer Housewares India Private Limited, address and website name. If anything, we can write to this care@mayorindia.in, in Facebook mayorindia.in, and Instagram mayorindia.in. So this is key features: heats evenly throughout, easy to clean, suitable for all cooktops, gas, induction, electric, oven safe up to 260 degrees centigrade. So ergonomic design, built to last. Key features: heats evenly throughout, easy to clean. Again, suitability here. So let's open this up. This is the handle cover which came along. You have to use it on the handle to ensure that you will not get the heat when you are handling it. Pretty heavy. This is very heavy. This is not smooth. The texture is rough, quite rough actually. This is the back side. Very heavy to hold actually. Here it's embossed Mayer. Now let's see what is there in the. So this is the warranty card, dealer registration for warranty, customer name, customer number, item description, all this need to be filled in. Dealers should be stamped, but since I bought it online, probably doesn't work. So what all is covered here, and to avail the warranty on online registration, I have to write to this. For recipes, I have to WhatsApp this number. Important safety, use and care information. Re-seasoning your cast iron cookware, instructions are given here. Cleaning instructions are given here. General safety and use and care information. Handles. Special instructions for ceramic glass stove-top induction. Let's see what else is there. That's it. So this is how the pan looks, the tawa looks. I'll make a dosa and show it to you live how it is turning out so that you can have a view. Now let's try out making a dosa on the new dosa tawa. I have already seasoned it by applying oil and heating it to a smoking point a couple of times. Hope the dosa comes out well. This is the first time I'm putting the dosa on this. I'm drizzling some oil on the sides to make it extra crispy. This is required if you are doing it for the first time. Probably after that the requirement of oil will be less. If you notice, the size of the tawa is bigger than the burner, so that is the reason the sides are not getting crispier and are not getting cooked as good as the middle. If you are buying a dosa tawa, ensure that you buy a dosa tawa which is as big as the burner, meaning you get the fire across, not like mine where you do not get it on the sides. So if you see, my tawa has become almost like non-stick. The dosa has come out easily. It's not sticking to the tawa, and I was able to lift it up very easily. I had drizzled oil only on the sides and not anywhere else. Maintaining cast iron or iron utensils is very important. It is recommended not to wash the iron utensils, but only to scrub off the food particles and probably wipe it off with a wet towel or something, and then apply oil generously and then store it away so that it stays seasoned. If not, you have to season it again. I am very much happy with my purchase. My dosa has come out crispy and very perfectly. Hope you all liked my dosa as well. What is cast iron and what is regular iron? Cast iron is, it is cast, meaning the molten iron is put into a cast and the utensil is made. But the regular iron utensils, the iron sheets are beaten and utensils are shaped out of it. The life of the regular iron utensils is higher than the cast iron for obvious purposes, because that is molted and poured, and there might be some cracks or some kind of anomalies which seep in because of casting the metal. Maintenance wise, both required to be maintained, seasoned and used. Cast iron is usually of higher metal, meaning it is heavier, and the regular iron utensils are on the lighter side. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.